everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you under Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about what happens when you do wireless charging on your Samsung Galaxy devices and you may hear the wireless charger's fan running. Now let's say that maybe this bothers you, and really the only time that this happens is if you go to bed and you charge your phone at night. Now me personally, I don't do that. I charge my phone during the day. I never charge it over the night. But if you're one of those that notices the fan is trying to cool your phone, but you're also trying to sleep and you want the fan to go away, here's a setting that you can change. If you pull down the notifications panel, click on the settings icon, you're going to scroll down to where it says device care. Now inside of device care, click on battery, and then inside of battery, go to the very top right-hand side and click on settings, scroll all the way down and you see this option here underneath charging. Fast wireless charging. If you were to turn this off, even though you're turning off the fast wireless charging, you'll also be turning off the fan that is needed to charge your phone fast because you don't want your phone to kind of get warm and anything else. So you can read it here. Charge your battery faster. You may hear a fan noise while using fast wireless charging. If fast wireless charging is off, standard wireless charging will be used instead. So if you're going to bed and you're going to be sleeping, you don't need this thing to charge fast anyways. You don't need it to charge up in 45 minutes or an hour and 11 minutes. You're going to bed for hopefully 6, 7, or 8 hours. So if you turn off this one little feature, then you will notice that it will not have the fan run because it's not doing fast wireless charging, but it's going to charge your phone as you sleep and it's going to do it safely. So I hope that you guys have learned something new in this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. You can subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. If you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video as well. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I